Your discussion is mobile compatible dashboards or creating a dashboards for mobiles. So generally, whatever the dashboard that you created that you are able to see from here in a web view. In Power BI service, you just have a 6 tiles and you create a dashboard like this. And if you see that one as part of mobile, let's understand how it is going to get displayed. I'm sharing my screen. I hope you are able to see my screen, and I'm opening Power BI application, which is already downloaded and installed and logged in. I have a favorites you are able to see, and I have the workspaces. You can see a lot of workspaces are there. There you are able to see test workspace which we created. Open it. It's not this workspace. This is the workspace. So here you are able to see the dashboard which is created, demo dashboard. So whenever you open it, you are able to see different KPIs are representing there, different visualizations are representing there. You can see that 6 visualizations are available here. So whatever the dashboard that you created in Power BI service, you are able to access from mobile also in a portrait view only. But the order is the default order it is going to display. If you want to customize it, if you want to display properly, then you can create a mobile view, mobile compatible dashboard. You can create it. How you are going to create it is from your Power BI service, where I am sharing my screen. Here on a mobile view, you are going to select a phone view. And it is asking you want to switch it to phone view? Yes. And here it is showcasing you how you want to represent. What you need to do is you need to customize it. However you want to display, you can customize it. Anyways, like the dashboard name, it is getting displayed here. So you can enable or disable what you want to showcase. It is not mean everything you need to showcase. If I have a table at my report or at a dashboard, I don't want to display. So this is how I organized. So once I organize it, go back to web view, you are done. So let me share my screen again. Share the screen. And you are able to see that automatically that was adjusted. See, the text box is not there, and automatically in the top we have a 2 card visualizations are representing there. So this is how you can organize it based on your need. You can adjust it. So you can create a mobile compatible dashboard like this with the help of phone view or a web view. And anyone has any questions on it? On a mobile dashboard, there is nothing to develop. You are just going to change the way of representation with the help of a phone view. So whoever log in from a phone, they can see like this.